Imagine yourself in this 2016 Chevrolet Colorado. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: wheel 16x7 Ultra Silver Metallic Steel, driver 4-way power seat adjuster, 6-speaker audio system feature, 4-wheel disc brakes, 6 speakers, air conditioning, electronic stability control, front bucket seats, front center armrest and tachometer. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.